Yo! So, kasabay ng mga new stocks na dumating, meron tayong isang kumpol na bundle na puro Thunder. So, feature ko lang sila isa-isa. First one is this. Insane Tiger Thunder. Back kit. Parang brand new pa tong isang to. Without a tag. Second one, Insanely Faded Wolf Thunder. Parang most of them are similar sizes lang. Pare-parehas lang silang XL. Next one is this Tribal na Thunder as well. Then this, hindi ko sure kung anong aso to, pero parang siyang bully. Box XL. One is this, another Tribal design Thunder. Parang same siya nung isa pero different picture yung ginamit. Then ito parang Tribal din pero hindi siya portrait. This one is a little smaller compared dun sa ibang pinakita. It's probably large lang or siguro box XL. Second to the last is the Feel the Wind. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-famous or more sought after na design. Maybe because sa influence ni Kanye kasi ito yung sinuot ni Kanye. So ayun, XL siya. The last one is this Mighty Ducks Grail Thunder right there. Missing tag but sobrang ganda. Faded din siya compared dun sa ibang pinakita natin na version. Pero ayun nga, back then parang nasa around 800 ang market value nito. Sa ngayon hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko siya genre, pero ayun. So all of this will be available soon on our upcoming live. It's gonna be announced probably this week on my Facebook account. So abangan nyo, lalabas to lahat sa upcoming set. See you!